Alright, so I'm here at Burnaby Lake in Burnaby, and we're flying the drone around here. I was going to go to the dock, but they have some kind of Olympic trial event going on today, so I ended up here in the fields. And beautiful spring day here in Burnaby, and flying around, checking things out. Beautiful day. And lots of people. It's a Saturday morning, and beautiful day for flying. Hope you enjoy the channel. Please subscribe, like the video, and yeah, we'll one day get 100 subscribers. One day.